Hey guys, OnePlus smartphones are known for their smooth and fast performance. Now OnePlus 8 Pro will also follow the same performance trend and will try to be the fastest Android smartphone available. Now recently benchmark score of OnePlus 8 Pro was leaked online. This is from the benchmark site Geekbench. This post was shared by slashleaks, which is a trusted smartphone leak source. Although the device isn't called the OnePlus 8 Pro, the presence of 12GB RAM and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 CPU make us think that this is likely the top-end OnePlus 8 Pro model. Now no doubt, the OnePlus 8 Pro will be one of the fastest Android smartphones. According to some recent reports, the OnePlus 8 Pro is likely to be the most powerful Android phone yet, beating even the powerful Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra according to newly discovered benchmarks. Of course, the benchmark scores still don't match up to Apple's A13 Bionic CPU found in the iPhone 11 series, since iPhones tend to use far less RAM than their Android competitors. The processor does all of the heavy lifting instead. That said, the multi-core score of the OnePlus 8 Pro is less than 100 points away from that of the iPhone 11 Pro, which is an achievement even if its single-core result is still far worse. But when it comes to Android smartphones, OnePlus 8 Pro is a clear winner, beating the mighty Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Compared to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which scores 805 for single core and 3076 in multi-core test, the OnePlus 8 Pro does far better. One reason for this significant performance increase, despite the two phones using the same processor and an identical amount of RAM, could be the use of LPDDR5 RAM instead of the more common LPDDR4 standard, which was explained in a recent forum post by OnePlus CEO Pete Lau. Another important update is that DisplayMate has already tested the upcoming OnePlus 8 phones and announced that they have excellent screens. The new flagships set 10+ display performance records and their color accuracy is perfect. This secured them DisplayMate's highest rating A+ and earned them a DisplayMate Best Smartphone Display award. As we know, the OnePlus 8 Pro will have 120Hz QHD+ AMOLED display panel. This display panel is going to be one of the best display panels present on any smartphone. So that's pretty much it for this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.